Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the INIU 10500 mAh power bank, and we'll start by first analyzing the box a little bit closer. So looking at the front of the box, we notice obviously the product itself, and next to it there are several features that I think are important to look at. So on the left side we see that it comes with an USB input and output port, which is compatible with power delivery. So this is very good for fast charging your devices. Underneath we can see that it comes with 20 watts fast charging capability. Again, this is pretty good for a power bank this size at 10,500 mAh. And then lastly we can see that it comes with an LED digital display screen, which is obviously visible on the product picture itself. On the upper right corner we can see that this power bank is airline approved, which is true because power bank is well under the 100 watt-hour limit that airlines enforce. And on the bottom left corner we can see in small print the fact that this power bank comes with a 3-year warranty, and I'd say that this is above average to what you can find on the market today. Usually power banks come with a warranty of somewhere between 1 and 2 years, and more than that is actually rare to see. So this is a good sign from INIU. It means that they stand behind the products that they build. So looking at the sides of the box, there isn't much information. However, on the back side there's a lot of information we can gather about the product. So first of all, starting from the top, we can see that the actual name of the product is BI-B6, and it comes with PD 3.0 and with Quick Charge 4+. So this means it's compatible with the latest fast charging technologies. So there are actually quite a few power banks, for example, that are compatible with Quick Charge 4.0. And if you have such a power bank, of course, you'll be able to fast charge all the latest devices that you might own. So this is a very good thing to have, especially if you're buying a new power bank today. Looking at the other features that they are representing here, we can see that first they talk about the fast charging capacity, and they say that it can charge an iPhone from 0 to 60% in 35 minutes. I believe that can vary depending on the iPhone type, but I think it's a overall statement that you can take into consideration when buying the power bank. It comes with a built-in flashlight. It's actually visible on the box here, and it's this LED light between these two ports. There are some power banks that come with flashlights. It's not that uncommon, but it's also not something hugely common as well. So a power bank can come in very handy when you're camping, or you need to search for something in a dimly lit place. So it's a nice feature to have, let's say. And they say again about the LED digital display, and they have another section here about future-proof portable power, but it's actually about the fact that this power bank is able to supply low current devices. So low current devices like Bluetooth headphones, speakers, smartwatches, fitness bracelets, all of these types of devices, when they charge, they require very little amounts of power, and most power banks have a setting that automatically shuts them down if there's not enough power drawn from them. But this power bank has a different feature, so that you can charge these types of devices without the power bank shutting down, and this is very handy if you want to charge these types of devices. And then you can see what to expect once you open the box, and inside there's gonna be the power bank, a travel pouch, charging cable, and the welcome guide. Here you can also see a little bit of specifications regarding capacity, size, weight, and power input and output. So I think those are the most important things about the power bank that we can learn from the box. Let's actually open it and have a look inside. So first of all, we see the power bank itself wrapped in a plastic cover. Let's set it aside for now. And here we have the charging cable wrapped inside the travel pouch. Travel pouch comes with the INIU logo, and it has a port here that you can use to close it up. The charging cable comes with an USB Type A port and a USB Type C port, and also with these nice covers at the ends of the port, so you can protect it from debris that may come inside, which is very useful to have. And here we have the welcome guide with information about the product in various languages. Now let's take a look at the power bank closer, but first let's open the plastic bag. So let's look at the front side of the product first, and we can see that the very obvious large display screen, and here we have the company logo, and then we have this text, fast charge power bank designed by INIU. And I like to say that the plastic, the hard case plastic, is a matte plastic, and it doesn't seem to be sensitive to fingerprints, which can be a good thing, so it's not very easy to leave marks on it. Looking at the sides, here we can see the power button. Let's press it. You can see that the power bank is charged at 84% right now. Here we don't have anything, and here we have smartphone support, if I can manage to open it up. And this is a surprise feature, let's say, because it wasn't listed on the box, so it's something that I wasn't expecting. But it's a very useful thing to have. You can use it to put your phone and have it stand up while you're watching some YouTube videos and while it's charging. So it's a very useful feature to have. And here we can see the ports. So we have two USB Type A ports on either side, one USB Type C port in the middle, and in between the USB Type C and the right USB Type A port, we can see the flashlight. So you can basically use this power bank to charge up to 3 devices at once. Now let's look at the back side and see what else we have here. So we have labels for each port, and then we have some more information regarding the capacity and the charging speeds of each port. It's a good thing to have the capacity on the power bank, because if you travel by airplane, they might want to check that. And if the capacity is not written on the power bank, then you might run into troubles. But here you'll be able to show this, and there's not going to be any issues. Let's now test the flashlight and see if it works. So you can activate the flashlight by pressing 2 times on the power button. Yeah, works very well. You can turn it off by pressing again 2 times. Here we go. Overall, I would say that this is a power bank that seems very lightweight and quite compact. I'd say it's very close to the size of an average smartphone and even close to its width. However, I think it's a little bit wider than an average smartphone. But overall, I'd say it's very close in shape and size to a smartphone. So you could very easily also carry it in a pocket. Obviously, if you carry it in a backpack, it won't give you any trouble at all. You'll forget that it's there. And overall, it seems to be a sturdy power bank, very solidly built. And it's a power bank you can charge your phone maybe up to 2 or 3 times, I would estimate, depending of course on your phone's capacity. So thank you for joining me today for the unboxing of the INIU 10,500 mAh power bank, and see you next time.